Assalamu alaikum and Ramadan Kareem. My name is Kenya Handy-Hilliard and I'm running to be your city councilwoman. I am bringing an agenda that has complete partnership and understanding of all of our communities. We will be representing Prospect Lefferts Gardens, Flatbush, East Flatbush, Kensington, Prospect Park South, North Midwood, and parts of Crown Heights. This year is a very special year because we are going to have ranked choice voting. And for anyone who needs an understanding of what that is, it means you can rank up to 5 people in this race. There are 12 in total, so that's a lot. But understanding you can rank 5 people as your top 5 choice. And then we will go through a process. If nobody gets the first wins on the first round, where they get 50% plus 1 of the votes, then what will happen is we'll trigger a ranked choice response. So now the 5th person, who is the last person on that list, will drop off, and all of their votes who are on their second place vote will be redistributed to the other candidates. So if somebody voted for, candidate X and that person drops off, all of their second place choices will be given to the candidate whoever they choose. So you keep doing that until someone reaches this 50% plus 1 threshold. Once that happens, it could be the 2nd round, it could be the 3rd round, it could be the 4th round. Once that happens, that person wins. And the beauty of it is that we get a choice. It may not be your first choice, it may not be your second choice, but you decided who is going to represent you, which is very different from the previous dynamic, because 40% of the electorate could vote for one person and then 60% did not choose. And so it creates more democracy. And I'm really excited about this process. I think we as a community need to come together. There are parts of our community that have never needed to talk to each other, to reach out to each other. And I want to bring something different. I want to bridge the gaps between our community, making sure that I'm a true partner to the nonprofits on the ground, bringing my 14 years of experience to help us as a community, as immigrants, as Brooklynites, and as District 40 residents, to thrive and grow and expand into a knowledgeable, powerful, and forceful community, so that nobody can come in and tell us what to do with ourselves and our property and who we are. We will dictate what our elected officials, what our city, and what our state will do for us. Thank you.